All right, today we are live Hurricane Wednesday. Let's get the body nice and warm. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 10 jumping jacks. You have the choice to do this jumping jack, or if it's just too much jumping, you can do a jumping like this, okay? So I'm gonna do 10 jumping jacks on 3, 2, 1, and of course 10 jumping jacks. If it becomes too much, you slow it down, and you're here, okay? So 10 jumping jacks. Second exercise, we're gonna do ready stance, okay? So we're gonna be doing 10 ready stance, so you're here, kind of like good morning, or here. So 10 ready stance. Now we're gonna do 10 in and out. So you're gonna be here at ready stance, and you're gonna get your feet in and out. Every right counts as one, or in and out with your feet, okay? That's your third exercise. And last but not least, we're gonna do squats, 10 squats. Inhale down, exhale up, and that set, we're gonna do it 2 times. 10 repetitions, or if you have Tabata at home, put it for 30 seconds, do the set twice, and that will get the body nice and ready, okay? Beautiful. Now, once our body's nice and warm, we're gonna have 4 stations. Station number 1, we're gonna sprint forward and back. All we're gonna do is get those ankles nice and warm. We have 35 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of rest. We do this 4 times. Now we're gonna do a curtsy, wider than your hips, reverse back and curtsy all the way down and all the way up, okay? I'm gonna make sure that you have a side angle of that. You find your step and then you come down. These are your reverse lunges, or actually your curtsies. It looks like a reverse lunge, but you're crossing over. The last 2 stations, you're gonna do push-up to downward dog. You're gonna be either on the knees or on your toes. Inhale down, exhale up, push back. If it becomes too much, on the knees, tuck under your feet, head back, look back. Okay? And the last one, we're doing a right side oblique. I'm gonna be laying down on my left side, elbow to knee, or legs to the sky. Okay? And that set, we do 4 times. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, boop. Let's do it. Wonderful. Now we're gonna have a little break in between. We did 4 rounds, 16 sets, not easy. We don't come for the easy now, second round. Station number 1, we're gonna do side sprints. Get those ankles nice and strong, side to side, station number 1. Station number 2, we're gonna turn around and reverse, find a reverse, and bring it back. We did a lot of squats yesterday. Now it's time to bake it down. So take a step first, drop the knee down, all the way down. Okay, that'll be your reverse lunges. Now we're doing sunbathers or tabletop. How you can actually do a tabletop is you bend your knees, get your legs close to your hamstrings, and then you're gonna bring it up, tabletop. If you wanna add a little bit more spice, these are called sunbathers. Bring your legs out, keep the feet flexed, and then look up and hold it there, okay? If that becomes too much, you could stretch it out and stretch your wrists, but I promise this workout will get you stronger. Since we did the right oblique, now we're gonna do the left oblique, laying on the right side, elbow to knee, or legs straight. And that's the entire set. Can I get a hoorah? That's it.